Welcome back to my channel. It's Danny here from Our Humble Home, and in today's video I'm going to be doing some DIY copy paper transfers onto wood. This particular wood, you can see it there, it's a round piece. It's actually a placemat that I bought from Kmart, and that's the back of the placemat. On the front, I think they're black now, but that particular one I had was like a light grey sort of colour. But if you flip them over, the wood is really nice underneath. It has a really nice wood grain, and to me it's preferable to buying just a craft MDF type of wood, which is pretty boring, and well, you know what MDF is like. It's a really cheap wood, and this is a lot cheaper as well. So what I've done is I have just printed out a design on paper and I've cut it out. I'm applying this matte medium, and this actual matte medium I did buy from Kmart. I don't think they have it anymore because I have looked for it and I can't find it online, but you can purchase it from craft stores and that sort of thing. At a pinch too, you could use PVA glue for this process, but PVA glue you're going to have to let dry for 24 hours. With this matte medium, you can pretty well do it after about 5 minutes. So what I did was I painted this matte medium onto my wooden board. I turned my print face side down and I pushed it down nice and firm and just let it dry for probably about 5 minutes or so. Now I'm applying water to the paper, and what I am doing is I'm rubbing gently. Obviously it's speeded up, but very gently, because you don't want to, you just want to take the paper off. You don't want to have to take, you don't want the image to peel off that's underneath. And sort of what you're left with is the image and no paper. So I'm not sure how it works, whether the ink actually goes into the wood, but you're actually left just with the image. So just doing this, take your time and make sure you get as much paper off as possible to reveal the image. When the image dries, it is going to be white, and I normally do go back and repeat the process after that has dried. But just to show you that on a little, this is a Kmart coaster, and you can buy a pack of 16 of these for $3.50, and they're really great value. And I'm going to do some Christmas things with these as well in an upcoming video, but just showing you that, you know, on a lighter piece of timber or a piece of timber that's painted white is preferable, because the image that you are transferring on will have a lot more depth of color and will be a lot more visible. And but today I am showing you on the actual wooden piece and actual natural wood on how it will turn out, and it comes out a little bit more like a watercolor sort of painted image, and it looks really pretty. But here I've just done the same process on some Kmart coasters, and after I put the image on and rub the backing off, I let it dry. I sanded back really lightly just to get any loose paper off, and then I put a top coat on, and this top coat is a beeswax that I use, and this not only will protect the image, especially if it's on coaster when you've got cups and that sort of thing on it, but it will also bring out the depth of color and make the color and the image a lot more clear. So as you can see here, the image has sort of whitened a little bit. Once I apply the wax though, it will deepen the color and bring out the image, and from there on this particular piece I just go over the whole board with the beeswax, and it brings out the lovely grain in it and in the actual placemat as well, so it looks really pretty. So this is a thing you could do. You could, I guess, these are mock-ups, but you could actually put little handles on it and use it as a tray, or I guess you could even make wall art with them, that sort of thing. If you are using them as a tray for food, I would get food grade wax or food grade sealer on the wood. If you're interested in trying this for yourself and you like this image, I have a few that I can email out to you. You could use these ones for coasters, they'd be pretty, and the others you could try on a wooden board for yourself. You'll notice the writing's back the front, and this is so when the image is placed down on your board, when it is transferred over, the writing will be the right way. It doesn't matter too much on a picture, but when there's writing involved, it has to be flipped. And I think they're a subtle, pretty, opaque, watercolor type of image that you're left with. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great week, and bye for now.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.